Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Leipan, 1080p, LCD digital microscope with 32GB SD card. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 10 to 1200x magnification. Leipan microscope digital can adjust and magnify tiny object from 10 to 1200x. You can clearly see the metal surface of error coins, the lines of plant's surface, the joints of insects, the surface of skin and each interface of PCB. It can bring an amazing micro world to you and your kids. 5 inches high definition LCD screen. 1920x 1080p high resolution, 2.0 megapixel camera technology and precise focus. Leipan LCD digital microscope allows you to see the tiny details very clearly on its 5 inches HD screen directly without connecting to a laptop or cell phone. More convenient than traditional magnifying glass or optical microscope. 8 adjustable LED lights. Leipan coin microscope with built-in 8 adjustable LED lights can adjust the brightness from dark to bright by sliding the switch, which ensure you can view the tiny detail clear and bright in various environments. Support hookup to PC for larger view. Leipan digital microscope with screen support hookup to PC or laptop for a larger view, if you want observe in larger scale and facilitate data sharing and analysis. You just need connect it to your laptop or PC by USB cable, very easy. Video and photo with included 32GB card. Leipan video microscope is not only a microscope, but also a camera, which can take photos and record videos, and save the images and videos into the micro card, 32GB micro card included. Widely used, great gift ideal. Leipan digital microscope for iPhone is very suitable for circuit board inspection, insects, coins, jewelry, dissecting, gem, rock and stamps, watch/clock repair, skin detect. Kids education inspection, textile industrial, biological observation, QC inspection, not suitable for cells and medical use. It's a great gift ideal for kids and adults. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.